Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm MJ Smith. How are you? For today's video, I'm going to unleash I'm going to unleash my inner artist in me by creating the most popular and in-demand James Charles palette right here. This palette, guys, is the Morphe and James Charles collaboration. So yeah, I'm going to create this look. Without further ado, let's get started. So as you notice, I already applied my foundation. So yep, I'm going to dig into this palette right here. So this is the first time, guys, that I'm going to use this palette. There you go. Never been used. I already applied my primer. We can't skip the primer. James Charles will be angry. angry. I'm going to apply my highlighter. I'm going to use the canvas. Gonna highlight my brow there. There's few fallouts, but not that bad. So far, the eyeshadow is pigmented. I'm going to dip my brush into this Keep color. Going to apply it a little higher than my normal crease. Then I'm going to blend it inward halfway like that and bring it up. I'm gonna bring it up slowly. Bring it up. Let me blend slowly. Okay, I'm going to intensify that color. I'm going to go back and dip my brush and apply it further. Okay, there. And bring it up. Bring it up. Okay. Slightly blending. Okay. Ooh. I'm going to blend it inwards halfway like that. Then bring it down and up. Gonna get some more. I love this shadow. It's very pigmented. So far, so good. James Charles. This is the Morphe palette and James Charles collaboration. Ooh. Slowly but surely. I'm going to grab the 518. Going to apply it in here. Inner eye area and blend it upwards. I'm going to grab some more. So far, guys, no fallouts. So far, so good. James Charles. Okay, so yep. I'm gonna blend it upwards like that. Gonna blend it to my brow. Brow. There you go. Going to use the acapella on my outer lid. Going to apply it here. Okay. There's a bit of fallout in this shadow, but it's not that bad. This is the acapella color, guys, or the acapella shadow. There you go. I'm going to blend it with my 217 brush. Okay. And blend it upwards. Blend it upwards slowly. Blend it with the other shadow, the purple. I'm going to apply slowly. Slowly but surely. blend it, blend it. So there you go. Nicely blend. So I'm going to bring the purple in my lower lash line. So for guys, the shadow is very pigmented, no fallout, and it's very easy to blend, you guys. So far I would say 10 out of 10 or maybe 9. So there's like 1% to improve. It's always good to improve, you know. Blend it a little bit. So yep, I'm going to apply now my inner corner shadow. I'm going to apply a white shadow or white concealer right here, guys, to intensify the look. Okay, I'm gonna cut it properly. I'm using the MAC 243 flat brush. There you go. Let's create a nice shape, What I'm doing right now, guys, needs a lot of concentration. Ooh la la. La la, look here. Walla walla. There's a few fallout in flashback shadow. You notice there's a bit of white in my cheeks or in my eye area. So yep, there's a few fallouts in there. Going to blend that. Sure. So now I'm going to apply the blue tone or the blue color, the acapella. I'm going to apply the acapella on my lower lash line, just here on top of my purple, just a little, just a little right there. And I'm going to blend, it with my Morphe M41 or the M411. I'm going to blend it outside or outwards like that. I'm going to apply the social blade in here. Ooh la la. I'm going to blend that color together. Okay. So yep, I'm going to apply my liner now, the black liner. Going to just apply it here. Apply it slowly but surely. I'll just apply it, guys, into my lash line. There you go. Okay, let it dry a little bit on my lashes. Ooh, no. Inner corner. So now lashes is on. I'm going to put my glitter. I'm going to use the liquid eyeshadow. This one right here, guys, as you notice. I'm going to put some here. Ooh la la. I'm gonna put a bit more. Okay, there you go. I'm going to apply mascara on my lower lash line. Going to use my MAC mascara. I don't have a lot of hair, guys, in my lower lash line, so I'll just put it right there. So yep, I think I'm done. Look at that. So yep, I'm done with my eyes. Ooh. This is the look. Now I'm going to apply my Crayola paint stick paint on my forehead. I'm going to use this brush right here. With black shadow on my hair, there's some white powder or white cream on my white foundation on my hair. So I'm going to remove that by coloring it with black shadow. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new on my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified each time I upload new videos. Thank you, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye-bye.